Hello children, how are you? Hope you are doing well. In today's topic, as we are discussing inside our earth, in the previous class we discussed about three layers of the earth. In that we saw that the upper part of that or the upper layer is called the crust, and the depth of that is 5 to 50 kilometers, up to 50 kilometers, somewhere 50 kilometers, somewhere 5 kilometers. And the second layer, mantle, is called mantle, and the third layer is called core, the core. So we discussed the crust is made of called Cl, also made composed by silicon and aluminum. Mostly two elements are majorly founded here. The surface of the earth, mostly the crust. Second one, today we will discuss that mantle, the mantle, second layer of earth, and downside. The downside or down part of crust is mantle. As you can see in the picture that it is the thickest layer in all layers. It is the thickest layer because the depth of this layer is about 2,900 kilometers. So the first middle layer of earth below inner or lower crust is called mantle. Below, inner or lower means downside of the crust is called mantle. It is the thickest layer and extending up to its depth is extend up to 2,900 kilometers, or we can say 2,900 kilometers. The third one, it composed mainly of iron, silicon, magnesium. Here you have to remember that composing of these layers, composing elements. First one majorly composed by silicon and aluminum. That's why it is called Cl also. The second one mainly composed by iron. In the other word, we can say ferrous, silicon, magnesium. So these are the major elements that compose the mantle. It is called Sima also because of majorly found silicon and magnesium. So it is called Sima, Si for silicon and Ma for magnesium. Number 3. Next one, its average density is between. Now density of that mantle 3.5 to 5.5. That is the density. And now most important thing, molten rocks are present in the mantle. Molten rocks are present in the mantle. Molten rocks means the rocks made by magma. The rocks made by magma. Magma where from? Volcano. ज्वालामुखी होती है, उसमें से जो निकलता है वो मैग्मा कहलाता है. So mostly जो ज्वालामुखी होते हैं वो कहाँ से उठेंगे? From where it will start? From the mantle layer. So this is it. This is the mantle. Now next or last layer, the core. In core, as you can see, the innermost part of earth is called core. Second name, Nephi. As we see, earth picture. Then we see this one, crust, mantle and core. So the innermost part or innermost layer is called, the core is the innermost layer of Earth with a radius of about 3500 kilometers. That is the radius of core. Now the core is divided into this layer is divided into two parts. In that part, first one inner core, second one outer core. The inner core, first thing in that, they are found very high temperature, very high pressure and very high temperature, both are also there. Pressure means all earth, all land, then the pressure is very high, and if the pressure, as we go inside of earth, then we found that temperature also increase. So the inner part of earth, the temperature is about 4000 to 5200 centigrade. That is the temperature of innermost part of the earth, this one. But then also it is in solid in state. First discuss second one, then I will describe more. The outer core. Now this one is the inner core. The temperature here is 4000 to 5000 degrees centigrade. Now the outer core, the temperature here is less than inner core. Okay, here temperature is less than inner core, but inner core, as you can see that 2200 to 4000 or 2000 to 4000 degrees centigrade, the temperature found in the outer core. But the state is here molten. Or we can say viscous. Viscous state. Molten or viscous state. Now, what is molten or viscous state? Molten or viscous state you can understand by the example of water. Water is in molten state, not ice. Ice is in solid state, but water is in molten state. So now think about it, and as you can see, कोर का जो पार्ट है, इनर कोर और आउटर कोर में हमने इसको डिवाइड किया, इनर कोर एंड आउटर कोर को. इनर कोर का टेम्परेचर 4000 to 5000 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड, and the pressure is also high, but it is in solid. इसका स्टेट कैसा है? वो सॉलिड है, जैसे रॉक होती है. रॉक एक सॉलिड मटेरियल है. अब आउटर कोर का टेम्परेचर इज लेस देन इनर कोर. यहां से इसका टेम्परेचर कम है, प्रेशर आल्सो कम, प्रेशर है वो भी कम है यहाँ पर, बट द स्टेट इज मोल्टन. लेकिन फिर भी यहाँ का स्टेट है वो मोल्टन है. पर यहाँ पर जैसे हम इसको कह सकते हैं, डिस्क्राइब कर सकते हैं, this is the state. The density of core is about 5.1 to 13. The density कहते हैं घनत्व को. डेंसिटी कहते हैं घनत्व को. So the density of core is about 5.1 to with nickel and ferrous. That's why also called Nife. The second name of core is Nife. Nife stand for nickel and Fe stand for ferrous, means iron. Ferrous means iron. जो यहाँ पर मटेरियल मिलता है वो मोस्टली ये होता है निकल एंड फेरस. तो ये आपके हो गए 3 layers of the earth. Note it down all points. The later Earth's crust and its materials. What we found on the crust, the outer layer of the earth. What materials mostly we found? We will discuss in the next class. You have to note down all the points. With pause the video and you have to answer all those questions sent to you by me on Monday and Wednesday, and you have to send only those 2 homeworks, not other or not everyday homework.